So first of all, you have to fund your account with some cash and Megaboost so you can place your order. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching how you can place an order or buy anything that you want to buy on Megaboost. So like this, I've just funded my account. Okay, so now after funding, under the menu you are going to see new order. Come under new order here. Then in this place you are going to see what we call category, order service, link and quantity. Link is where you are going to input the link to any social media account or anything that you want to boost. Okay, the quantity is how many of that particular services that you need. For example, I need Instagram followers. That is the category. Then I choose the particular one I want. These are the available options. We have the one of 1,275 naira, 1,350 naira. All of them has a refill. Refill means whenever any services, or let me say any follower drops, it's going to be refilled back to your followers. Okay, automated. I select the first one because it is very, very cheap. Can you see? Then read the description. It says good quality account. Make sure your account is not on private. No refunds on processing orders. An example link of what you have to paste here. Okay, so now let me paste that. Let me run the service to this. Okay, don't forget I funded my account with about 500 naira. Let us see. I funded my account with about 500 naira. And again, there's a 5% deposit bonus on all deposits you make. Okay, transaction fee has been removed already. Okay, I have a balance of 494 naira. Let's check the transaction history. As you can see, this is 500 naira that I just funded on my account with the transaction fee of 10 naira. Okay, let's go back. So now let me see how much that 494 naira is going to take me. 500 followers. Okay, let me see. I want to purchase 390 followers. Okay, I have 494 naira. Let me see, 387. Good. Can you see? The total charge is 493 naira for 387 real Instagram followers. Now next, you should just click on this. Yes, I have confirmed the order, and you click on place order. Okay, very simple as ABC. Let me click on that. Then you just wait for a few seconds for it to confirm and process your order. Okay, your order has been received, as you can see. Okay, can you see? Your order has been successfully received. Same also goes if you want to purchase any other services. For example, we have thread services, which is that Facebook threads app. Let's see, we have followers, likes, everything is available. Instagram followers, Nigerian service also available. Nigerian followers all available. Okay, Instagram US, we have Twitter services too. Just pick the one you want. Do you want Twitter impression, video views, Twitter live stream, statistics, which is the Twitter tweet views, link click, hashtags, and the rest. TikTok also, TikTok followers are also available. Very, very cheap. Okay, we have YouTube, Facebook, Google services, IMDb, Spotify, AudioMac, LinkedIn. Must mention any social services that you need. Megaboost is there for you. So that's basically how to place an order on Megaboost. See you guys later. Also, we have the announcement feature where these news and announcements at the top bar of your dashboard, where you're going to see any news or announcements on Megaboost. You can also join our WhatsApp group. Click on the menu, you're going to see join WhatsApp group, and you can also drop us a review on Google. Thank you so much. See you guys later. Don't forget to use Megaboost for your social media managing services.